Hey there, home cooks. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a scrumptious recipe for you, turning leftover cake into a rich and creamy cheesecake. That's right, no leftover cake will go to waste on my watch. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of leftover cake crumbs, 1/4 cup melted butter, 2 packs of cream cheese, softened, 1/2 cup sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup sour cream. All right, let's dive in. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix your cake crumbs with the melted butter until it's like wet sand. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a greased 9-inch springform pan. Pop it in the fridge to set while we work on the filling. Step 2. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese until it's smooth and creamy. Add the sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract. Mix until combined. Finally, fold in the sour cream. Step 3. Pour the filling over the chilled crust. Use a spatula to smooth the top. Give the pan a gentle tap on the counter to remove any air bubbles. Step 4. Bake in the preheated oven for about 50 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center is slightly jiggly. Turn off the oven, crack the door open, and let the cheesecake cool inside for an hour. Once it's cool, refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight for the best results. And there you have it, a luscious cheesecake made from leftover cake. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!